Want to see something cool? So these are big walk-in refrigerator that we have on the ship where we actually keep our food. So this is actually a freezer storeroom right here. Let's check it out. This is a chill storeroom. They already opened it, so hopefully this is the size of it. As you can see, that's for the chill. Whoa, big ones. And this one is thorough. Interesting. Cannot really see much, but there is some stuff going in there. And of course, the dairy storeroom right here as well. This is for our dairy, like we said before. Now these are pretty large refrigerators, if you will, and the reason why they're like that is because you have to be able to feed over 100 people when this ship is fully operational 3 times a day. So it's quite a bit of food, and once this ship actually gets in the way, every single one of those gets completely and totally packed with food. Not to mention other places that also have storage as well.